Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 11 trigonometric ratios of some particular angles. So students, my first question is using the formula cos A is equal to root under 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Find the value of cos 30 degree, it being given that cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Given that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, find the value of cos 30 degree. So let's start. So solution of students, cos A, let A बराबर, let A is equal to 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is equal to root under 1 plus cos 2a. 2a, it means cos 60 degree. 2a, a is equal to 30 degree and 2a is equal to 60 degree by 2. Okay. So students, root under 1 plus cos 60 degree. The value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 or by 2. Okay. So student, 2 upon 2 upon 3 by 2 or by 2, that is root under 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. So here students, the value of cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, and given that the cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, the put the value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. Students, our next question is, if cot theta minus 1 by cot theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3, find the acute angle theta. It means find the value of theta. So students, let's start solution. Given the cot theta minus 1 by cot theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Okay. So first of all, by cross multiplication, cot theta minus 1 into 1 plus root 3, okay, is equal to 1 minus root 3 into cot theta plus 1. So here students, cot theta is 1 cot theta root 3 cot theta minus 1 and minus root 3. Okay, plus minus minus root 3. Here cot theta plus 1 minus root 3 cot theta and plus minus minus root 3. Okay students, so here cot theta is cancelled. Okay, so root 3 cot theta and here इसको इधर प्लस रूट 3 cot theta is equal to 1 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3. So minus root 3 plus root 3 is cancelled. Here root 3 cot theta plus root 3 cot theta. 2 root 3 cot theta is equal to 2. Okay. So students, cot theta is equal to 2 by 2 root 3. 2 is cancelled. That is 1 by root 3. So here students, cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3, the value of cot 60 degree. Okay, cot is cancelled, that theta is equal to 60 degree. So the value of acute angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Students, our next question is, if sin A plus B is equal to 1 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, A plus B is greater than 0 degree but less than equal to 90 degree and A is greater than B. So A and B are acute angle, A is greater than B, then find the values of A and B. Okay, A and B का वैल्यू क्या करना है, फाइंड करना है. So let's start solution of students. Here given कि find A plus B, find A plus B is equal to 1. So we write कि find A plus B is equal to find 90 degree. Find is cancelled, that is A plus B is equal to 90 degree equation first. Okay students, again tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. This implies tan A minus B 1 by root 3 is the value of tan 30 degree. Tan cancel, A minus B is equal to 30 equation. For students, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. For A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 90 degree plus 30 degree. Here plus B minus B is cancelled. 2A is equal to 120. That is A is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Put the value of A in equation 1. Put the value of A in equation 1. So here students, A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So A is equal to 60 degree plus B is equal to 90. Here B is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree, that is 30 degree. So here students, A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Students, our next question is, if cosec A plus B is equal to 1 and cosec A minus B is equal to 2, A plus B is greater than 0 degree but less than equal to 90 degree, and A is greater than B, then find the value of tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So student, in this question, first of all find the angle A and B, find the value of angle, acute angle A and B. So let's start for students solution. Given cosec A plus B, cosec A plus B is equal to 1. So here student, cosec A plus B 1 is the value of cosec 90 degree. Cosec 90 degree. So here students, A plus B is equal to 90 degree. This is equation 1. Okay. And again, cosec A minus B is equal to 2. Cosec A minus B and 2 is the value of cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Equation 2. So students, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 90 degree plus 30 degree. Minus B plus B is cancelled. So 2A is equal to 120. That is 60 degree. Here the value of A is equal to 60 degree. Put the value of A in equation 1. So student, from 1, 60 degree plus B is equal to 90 degree This imply B is equal to 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. Okay students, so here the value of A is equal to 60 degree and the value of B is equal to 30 degree. So find the value of tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Now, so tan A, that is tan 60 degree minus tan B, that is 30 degree, divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 30 degree. Okay students, tan 60 degree, the value of tan 60 degree is root 3 minus the value of the tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus the value of 60 degree root 3, 30 degree 1 by root 3. Root 3 is cancelled. Okay, so root 3 multiply root 3, 3 minus 1, that is 2 by root 3 by 2. Okay, so 2 by 2 root 3, 2 is cancelled, that is 1 by root 3. So students, the value of tan A minus tan B plus 1 plus tan A into tan B, here A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree, is 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3 the value of tan 30 degree. Okay, tan 30 degree. Students, our next question is find the value of x for which x tan 45 degree into cot 60 degree is equal to find 30 degree into cosec 60 degree. So students, let's start solution. Here कि x tan 45 degree into cot 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree into cosec 60 degree. Okay, so students, x, the value of tan 45 degree is 1 into cot 60 degree, the value of cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to the value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, the value of cosec 60 degree 2 by root 3. So here 2 is cancelled. Okay, this implies x multiply 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 is cancelled. That is the value of x is equal to 1. Okay.